Happy Saturday and welcome to Quick Weather Weekend. If you look at this chart, you can see how hurricane season is expected to play out this year. This is kind of the categorized wind speeds, and they say about 85% of activity happens between August, September, and October. So this is kind of a look at what we could expect this year, not set in stone, but let's start talking about hurricane season and how to be prepared. So the National Weather Service actually has a preparedness chart. So hurricane preparedness themes: know your risk, water and wind, prepare for the hurricane season ahead of time, and things like that. So just make sure that you are ready at home. You have an evacuation plan. You have a radio, cash, water, and your insurance documents. There's a couple of things you can do besides an evacuation plan and getting those things ready for your house. You also could, just strengthen your home in general. So when these types of things happen, you're kind of ahead of schedule and can be more prepared. Moving into the weather today in the United States is a look from the National Weather Service showing you kind of what to expect. A lot going on that East Coast. The middle of the country is kind of plain right now. So go ahead and moving into a closer look. This is Little Rock. They're expecting a freeze tonight. So there's storms other places. Right here, it's actually kind of freezing conditions. So if you're in this part of the state, near I-40 especially, you can see above freezing. Right on the other side of that, near Highway 49, is freezing. On the other side in Georgia, they're expecting lots of severe weather tonight, which could possibly bring tornadoes. When these types of things happen, not like hurricanes, very different. You don't get as much of a warning for these. So make sure you check your forecast until the threat is gone. Have a flashlight, not candles. Listen to local officials and watch out for those power lines that could come down. And just check on your neighbors. Make sure that everyone's okay after one of those crazy storms. Besides that, in the same area, it's going to have some good temperatures today. Obviously, with coldness everywhere else in the state, hot temperatures here. That's a good mix for tornadoes. If you have cold weather and hot weather near each other at all, you're going to expect some kind of severe weather usually. So that's kind of what this is. They have high temperatures, 77 today. That's just a spring storm for you. It's going to feel warm, and they're going to have lots of rain. That's your quick weather update. We are going to continue to follow hurricane season. Make sure you have the app and have that little bell signed up so you can get all notifications. And we'll see you tomorrow.